Today we have a small runabout to do, just a little dinghy, 3 stories of carpets in that boat, and then we got this house to do afterwards. About 2,000 square metres of carpet. We'll try and get it all done in one day. Yeah, another lounge living area up here on level 2. And the carpeted hallways. Make up probably the area with 3 normal houses. There's the small little runabout boat we did this morning. 3 floors of carpets, or wool, 100% pure wool carpets on the boat. This is the 3rd level. It's only about 50 square metres of carpet on this level. It's just a small one. But all up today, we would have done 1,500 square metres of pure wool carpets in the house, and 900 square metres of pure wool carpets in the boat. So quite a day. I won't be finished till about 6 o'clock tonight, but I'll get it done. Okay, this is the last of it. Just done upstairs. Level 3, this is the last of level 2. Walk-in road, which is probably some 40 squares, 35 to 40 squares. This is the master bedroom. It's about 60 square metres to finish. And then we just got this little hallway of carpets here going right around the balustrade. And around here, just a little bit of carpet. And then a little bit to do just in front of the elevator here and down the elevator and out.